Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can fix selected file is not supported for upload in Google Docs. So if you guys encountering the error message that says what I told you before in Google Docs, it usually means that the file you are trying to upload isn't in a supported format or there's an issue with the file. And through this video, I'm going to show you I'm going to show you the methods to fix this issue. So first, you need to check the file format that you are trying to upload. Google Docs usually support various file types, but some may not work properly. So the common supported file formats include the Google Docs formats such as Docs, ODT, RTF, TXT, or HTML, or PDF, or images such as JPG, PNG, and others. Spreadsheets such as XLS, Excels, or CSV, or presentation. But if your file isn't in supported format, you can first convert it to a supported format, such as Docs or ODT. And you can also use Google Drive to convert non-supported file types to Google Docs format. So what you need to do to convert in Google Drive is just you can go to your drive and then upload the file. Just tap on new and then click on file upload. And after that, here you can just right click or select open, select the file. You can just go to, sorry, click on this three dots icon and here choose open with, and now you can just choose Google Docs options, and Google Docs will automatically convert it to a Google Docs document. And you need to make sure that the file is not corrupted. Sometimes files become corrupted during upload, so you need to open the file on your computer with a compatible app such as Microsoft Word to ensure that the file is working, and you can just re-upload the file from a different browser or computer to see if the issue persists. You can also check the file size because Google Docs has a file size limit. So for a file like Docs or PDF, the limit is around 50 megabyte. And you can also use Google Drive's convert option. So like I said before, just convert it to Google Drive. And sometimes issues with uploading can be related to cache and data or cookies. So you can also try to clear your browser cache and cookies to resolve this. Or you can also try a different browser. Here, for example, I'm using Chrome. You can also use Mozilla Firefox or maybe use Microsoft Edge to try. Or you can also still use the Chrome but in incognito mode. So that's pretty much all. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.